Most of us dread shaving because of skin irritation, razor bumps, nicks and cuts that often happen during shaving. If that's you, well, you won't have to anymore. Level up your shaving experience with Level 3 Shave Gel. The Level 3 Shave Gel is a transparent formula which allows you to see through it to be able to achieve sharp contour lines and also be able to identify any type of skin disorders on the skin before applying your razor. Another benefit of the Shave Gel is that it moisturizes the skin and softens the hair, which allows you to pass the razor easier over the skin, and that prevents nicks, cuts, and razor burn. And lastly, the Shave Gel is suitable for all hair and skin textures. It is available in this large 500 ml bottle, which gives you a minimum of 100 shaves, and it is available in 2 different scents, the Aqua and Ice. So whether it's personal use or in a professional setting, the Level 3 Shave Gel is your go-to for all things shaving.